Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix SIM network not showing problem solved. Are you facing a mobile network not available or unregistered SIM card error on your mobile? You are not alone, this issue is pretty common and come around a lot of times, especially when you use dual SIM smartphones. You can solve your problem very easily. Watch the full video. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. First, restart your smartphone once. Then turn on aeroplane mode. Turn off aeroplane mode again. Now restart your phone once. Then click Settings. Click Mobile Network. Select any SIM. Click Carrier. Turn off this option once and turn it on again. Click Prepaid Network Type. Select here according to the network in your area. Try turning the data roaming option on and off again. Click About Device. Check if there is any update coming to your phone. If there is any update, then definitely update it. Check if your issue is resolved. If not resolved, follow next method. Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type Reset Network. Click Reset Network. Click Reset Network Settings. Then click Reset Network Settings. Hope your problem is solved. If anyone has any problem, please comment. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Thanks for watching.